Good day, everyone, and welcome back to Swift Creek Middle School, and more importantly, welcome to my language arts class. I'm Mr. Stit, and I'll be teaching your student either 6th grade or 7th grade language arts this year. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm a 9th year educator. This is my 3rd year at Swift Creek. I graduated with a bachelor's in English from the University of Central Florida, and I also have a master's from Liberty University. I've been married to my best friend for 8 years now. We had our first child 2 years ago, and her name is Violet, and she's totally beautiful. I love sports, I love reading, I love cooking, I love travel, and I'm going to love teaching your student this year in my language arts class. Here are some supplies that your student's going to need this year in both 6th and 7th grade. They're going to need 2 notebooks, and that can either be spiral notebooks or composition notebooks. They're also going to need a pen or pencil every single day. It's their choice, whatever you'd like to bring, but you must have a writing utensil every single day. Also, it's not required, but I'm asking that you donate 1 used book that you have sitting around the house for our classroom library. You can see this library in the back, and we really need books for our students. If you have some old books sitting around, please consider donating it to our class library. The most important thing I want you to leave with today is my class website. On this website, you're going to see all sorts of things, information about me, information for the class, all sorts of assignments, the tests that we're going to take in class, the vocabulary we're going to learn about in class. And this website is www.stitclass.weebly.com. Please use this on a regular basis. It's where all of our class assignments are going to be, as well as the stories and articles that we're going to read. Again, that website is www.stitclass.weebly.com. Last but not least, I just want to thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Again, my name is Mr. Stit. I'm very excited to teach your student this year. If you have any questions, please email me at stitd@leonschools.net. Again, my email and the best way to contact me is stitd@leonschools.net. Thank you so much, and I look forward to a great year at Swift Creek.